a Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand.
Howdy, happy Halloween. Welcome back to A Texan Shaves. I literally just got back today from my trip up to New England. We were in New Hampshire and Connecticut for a factory tour of one of the manufacturers we're a dealer for, one of our vendors, and excellent time. But I'm so glad to be home. Got home this afternoon and got ready for the shave. I hadn't done a video in a while. I haven't shaved in a couple days either, face or head. So I'm looking forward to this. So we're going to be using today for Halloween, and I'm going to post this video right after I record it. I'm going to hurry up and edit it and get it up. So be sure and watch this in the dark. Turn the lights off, turn the volume up, watch this in the dark, and you're about to find out why. So we're going to be shaving with Pretty Polly. This is from the Shave Mercantile. It's limited edition. I have a link in the description of how you can get it. They still have some. Man, the fragrance on this. I'm going to go over the sales blurb real quick. So, we never intended on making a Halloween seasonal shaving soap, let alone one based on an Appalachian murder ballad. But Polly whispered otherwise. There are many versions of her song. In some, she's the victim. In others, she's the one swinging the blade. Polly's melody drifts down from the Appalachian hills, a murder ballad carried on cold wind and memory through the centuries. Some have differing opinions on how this story ends, but the earth and grave know the truth. This scent is steeped in an uneasy beauty, freshly dug grave soil, moss, and cedar wood tangled with dark plum, blood orange, jasmine, and amber. It's rich, unsettling, and strangely inviting, like a hymn sung in an empty church. An Appalachian Gothic fragrance, Polly is earthy, haunting, full of quiet mystery, folklore, and fog. For those who appreciate craftsmanship, story, a bit of the macabre, and the kind of scent that leaves an echo, this one is worth the lather. She's whispering your name. All right, so here we are. Yes, I am going to be doing a shave in the dark. I do have a black light, and that's all the light I'm going to be having now. It's a little bright, but as you can see, there we go. Oh yeah, look at that. That's all nice and blue, isn't it? So, and what I'm shaving with is a amazing, wonderful brush. The pour is from Shamrock Shaving Customs, and the brush handle was made by True Till Death Shave Works. I have it set with a 26 millimeter Pure Bliss. And here is that brush. Look how much that glows. Look at that. I don't know if you can see the coin or not, but yeah, that is a beauty. And believe it or not, guys, I'm going to be doing a straight razor shave. And this one has some amazing scales, again, done by Shamrock Shaving Customs, Daniel Mahoney. And look at the scales on this razor. I don't think I've shown this before. I haven't shaved with it before. But I'm going to attempt this in the black light. All right, we'll see what happens. Don't know how many passes I'm going to do, but this is the Texan Shaves Halloween special. All right, guys? So let me get this brush wet, and we're going to get a lather worked up, or load the brush up at least. I've been holding on to these items, waiting for the Halloween shave. And unfortunately, of course, I had to travel, got back on Halloween, but here we go. All right, let's get this brush loaded. So let me know down below what kind of Halloween plans you have. If any, if you're dressing up, what are you dressing up as? Let me know what your costume is. And Halloween is one of my favorite holidays. It's just so much fun, so many memories. Let me rinse off this tub. And I hope I can see my ladder at least. All right. So that is rinsed off. Set that right here. And let's get the glasses off. Can you even see me and the face wet? All right. Let's see here. Let me set this think I can set this up where it's not blinding me in the face, and maybe it'll cast a little light. You can see me a bit there. I don't know how well this is going to come across, or what kind of, I can't see anything, or what kind of resolution this is going to look like once I render it. Oh man, the fragrance on this is so good. I've used this a couple times already. The fragrance is incredible on this. I hope I don't cut my mustache off. Oh, getting lather everywhere. You can tell already I need some more water. My eyes are getting a little bit more accustomed. I think I can see now, which is a good thing. Now, you all know I'm still a bit of a novice at using a straight razor. So what is possessing me to do this? I don't know. But I'm going to add some more water. Nice thirsty soap. I think we are just about there. I think actually I put a 28 millimeter in this. This knot is pretty big. Been a while. I mean, I've had this handle for quite a while. I didn't want to show it yet or use it yet until I did this video. Or even got the guts up to do this video. I got lather all over the place. So there's that amazing brush again. It's kind of losing a little bit of the intensity. I'll put it in the black light here for a second so it can charge up. There we go. Look at that. Look at the crazy swirls in that. And let's get the straight razor going. I'm going to charge it up again real quick. And here we go. Look at that. That is just so freaking awesome. Love this. All right. Get the blade wet. Okay, yeah. Let me get my towel down and dry my fingers. Here we go. Black light, straight razor shave. This is not a smart idea. I cannot see. Probably gonna cut my ear off. Oh, I think I did come close. Guys, do not try this at home. This is probably, I think I have a brush hair on there. Something's tickling my ear. Probably not going to be the best shave. Yeah, I'm already having trouble. Probably not a good idea if you can't see where the heel or toe is of your razor. So I can tell you right now, I'm probably only going to do one pass. This is scary. Yeah, this is not... Sorry, I'm really having to concentrate. Why am I doing this? Well, wow. I can tell I've missed some spots because I can see the lather now that I'm a little closer. But yeah, this is not a smart move on my part. Wow. All right. Let's break this off. Now let's go to the other side. All right. Here we go. Wow. Mm. One thing this is helping me with, which I thought I already had a pretty good grasp, and it's making me realize I do have a bit, is just feeling where the blade's at, feeling what angle you have without seeing it. Not that I want this kind of training, but it is... it is kind of helping me realize I have a pretty good grasp on this. See if I cut my ear off. I'm going to have a ton of cleanup. So this razor was refurbished and honed by Daniel Mahoney at Shamrock Shaving Customs also. Did a fantastic job on it. Can't see my beard line. Yeah, that's not going right. Okay. All right. I'm going to go ahead and give it another little super slick here. Another pass the other direction on my neck. All right. All right. Okay, I think that is all for this challenge. 1 second. All right, can't see now, but here we are. You can see I did miss close here. I was too scared to get any closer to the ear, so I've got plenty of hair there. All this is really good, actually, and I didn't get as high up here as I normally do. There's no blood. As you can see, I didn't get any of this area. All that was missed. Jawline down here is good. Up here is good. Got a little closer to the ear on this side. But yeah, so I'm going to have to clean up with another razor. All right, that was a lot of fun. Hope everyone's having a fantastic and safe Halloween. That's going to be it for this video. Go ahead and tell me how stupid I am down below, because I already know. The second I grabbed that razor to go to my face, I was in my head. I was like, what are you doing? I still wouldn't do Vegemite. I would do this again before I did Vegemite. Find your peace in what and where you can. Happy Halloween. We'll see you next time on A Texan Shaves. Goodbye.